very pained and hurt that the minister, in his reply in Parliament today, has called the members of Parliament, the Tamil Nadu government and the people of Tamil Nadu uncivilized. Sir, and you've taken my name also, sir. I'd like to explain. Sir, the truth is that members of Parliament... Sir, that is not enough, sir. Sir, the and met the minister representing that SSA funds have to be released to Tamil Nadu. And the minister from Tamil Nadu also was there in the delegation. And we had clearly said that we have issues with the NEP. We cannot accept it in full because three-language policy is not acceptable to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And, sir, the truth is, the CM of Tamil Nadu has written to the minister and the Prime Minister saying that we have issues with the NEP, it cannot be accepted in total and the funds have to be released and he's requested the funds to be released. So Tamil Nadu or the Tamil MPs from Tamil Nadu have never accepted.
Okay.
Honorable Speaker, sir, my esteemed colleague, one of the dearest sister, senior member of this House, Honorable Kani Mojiji, has raised 2 points. On one point, she raised, I mentioned a word which I should not use regarding on the members of my Tamil Nadu, on the government of Tamil Nadu and people of Tamil Nadu. Let us not mix. I have not. Let me first withdraw my word. If it hurts my word to anybody, I withdraw my words. I don't have an issue on that. But regarding the other part of the issues he mentioned, Kanimuji, please sit. Please sit.
Please
sit. At least I know you'll listen my point of view, and I listen your point of view. I always do that. This is an important issue, Speaker sir. When they came to see me on the several occasions, not one, several occasions, rightly, Kanimoji took lead and invite the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu with a good spirit. Let something should come out. And I was also open on that discussion. At one point of time, they have agreed, and we have agreed certain things. Don't shout, please. You have courage. You should have courage to listen the truth. They went back. My information, they mentioned all these things to Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He also given consent to go ahead. Later on, some internal issue came up. They only told me, informally and that went back. This is unfortunate. Today, again I mentioned that thing. Today is the 10th March. Let they come out with the MOU signing program. They are entitled. We don't have any issue with non-BJP states. As I said, Karnataka, Himachal, Punjab, all these states are getting PM3. They are also getting PM Poshan scheme as they have been allocated. They should come to the constitutionality, they should come to the policies, what they have agreed, they should respect that.
Okay. मैंने माननीय मंत्री जी ने भी आग्रह किया है और मैंने इस शब्द को रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया है. ओके.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे. तो मैं बेड पे चढ़ के डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए. फ्रीज. तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो
कसम पैदा कर